Allay your dog-related concerns with this advice. Does your dog behave badly and have no manners? Do you find that your dog seems to gravitate to your favorite belongings as chew toys? It's time for training. The following advice contains some excellent tips on raising a well-behaved dog. Always give your dog plenty of attention and affection. When your dog behaves properly, make sure you let the dog know you are happy and give them some affection. This will help reinforce the good behavior and the dog will try to behave in this manner for the positive attention. Start training your dog as soon as you bring them home. Create a vocabulary list that all your family members will use to command the dog and stick to it. Dogs can become confused if the same words are not used to give them directions. The dog will see "get over here" and "come" as two different commands. Your dog needs a stimulating environment if it is going to live a long and healthy life. Providing him or her with one is not really that hard. Simply make sure you take your dog for walks each day, and purchase a few toys that you and your pet can play with together. When you are trying to teach your dog new tricks, you should always be patient. Different dogs will learn things differently. If your dog isn't picking up a new trick right away, give him time. You could also try changing your teaching method. Your dog may respond better to a different approach. Having fresh and clean water available to your dog at all times is a must. Dogs become dangerously dehydrated in a matter of days, so it's very important to always have water ready. Dogs will also appreciate water that is clean. If you find it necessary to drink filtered or bottled water because of the quality of water from your tap, then be sure to provide your dog with the same high-quality water. Hand signals are great when they are paired with verbal commands. When provided with signals of this type, dogs tend to pick things up faster. Every pet is different though, so use a combination of both verbal and visual cues and then determine what works the best. Research a particular breed of dog you may be interested in before bringing him home. Lots of people make the mistake of falling in love with a type of dog, then find out later that the animal isn't really for them. Chihuahuas, for example, are a trendy type, but very difficult to fully potty train, especially in colder climates. Be careful to not overfeed your dog. Obesity is a huge problem for animals these days due to the fact that many dog owners allow the animal to determine how much it eats each day. For the best results and health of your dog, you should follow the instructions of your vet when it comes to feeding habits. Bad dog behavior's days are gone. It is best to make sure your dog is both healthy and happy. To master the situation, you must look to yourself first. Use everything you have learned to teach your dog the best way to behave. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.